Pure, clean water is the heart of an enjoyable pool experience. The powerful combination of the eco-friendly Gib-San G3O3 oxidizer and the G3 UV2 purifier makes your pool cleaner, healthier, and sparkling clear. They work together to provide effective, safe, and eco-friendly water purification while dramatically reducing the amount of traditional or salt-generated chlorine needed, creating savings that are friendly to your pocketbook and the environment. Each system uniquely harnesses the power of ultraviolet light, one of nature's finest sanitizers, to treat specific aspects of your water. Gib-San G3O3 oxidizer utilizes a UV lamp to convert oxygen to natural ozone, which, when introduced into your pool water, provides a continuous shock to oxidize and eliminate organic compounds that can cause cloudy and irritating water conditions, leaving your water sparkling clean. Gib-San G3 UV2 purifier's powerful germicidal lamps directly attack the water to inactivate up to 99.9% of microorganisms, including viruses, bacteria, and any algae that pass through its chamber. Together, they reduce chemical usage by up to 80% and stop harmful chlorine byproducts, including chloramines, from forming. An additional benefit is the enhanced level of water purification provided, as the ozone-infused water created by the G3O3 oxidizer passes through the G3 UV2 purifier's disinfecting chamber. This process converts ozone into advanced oxidizers called hydroxyl radicals, making the combination of these two products the most powerful tool to produce the safest and cleanest water for your pool. By minimizing your exposure to potentially harmful chloramines and other contaminants, you are reducing the potential of skin irritation, red eyes, discolored hair in swimsuits, and bacteria-borne illness. Include this system on any new or existing pool and enjoy exceptional water quality, maximum swimmer enjoyment, a reduction in chlorine demand, and a more natural, environmentally friendly swim experience with minimal maintenance, saving you time and money every day. Both Gib-San G3O3 oxidizer and G3 UV2 purifier are backed by a limited warranty and are proudly assembled in the USA. Gib-San Pools is committed to helping you get maximum enjoyment of your pool with minimal effort. Combining high-quality G3 equipment with Gib-San high performance, heritage installation experience equals quality, health, safety, and environmental sensitivity in all our pools. Experience the G-Force in our G3O3 oxidizer and G3 UV2 purifier today.